do have the Apple AirPods Pro. Um, this is AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. And we do have AirPods Pro with wireless charging case, Apple INC, and we do have all those serial numbers. So yeah, I'm very excited for this product. So I'm going to unbox it with my trusty knife. So without any further ado, so let's unbox this. Not Type-C, these are like audiophile grade ones, but these are, I think, much better than the normal AirPods, to be sure. And yeah, okay, do have designed by Apple in California. We do have the usual documentation, AirPods Pro, and all those, just how to set it up and all those fancy documentation is in right in there. So without any further ado, so let's unbox these AirPods Pro. Very tiny, not as big as I thought, but these are like very tiny. My god. Okay, oh wow. Okay, so this is the AirPods Pro. We do have the LED, and we do have the reset button, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Okay, we do still have power though, that's nice. Okay, very tiny, I would say. This is the right here one. I think this is stock ones are like medium spec ones, and we do have the medium rubber tips on this one. So let's keep that to the side. Okay, we do have this one. Okay, these are the ear tips, I think. Yeah, we do have the small ear tips, and we do have the large ear tips. So yeah, and we do have the cable itself, which comes with the USB type C to USB type C to I think yeah, lightning, USB type C to lightning. This is the cable itself, and we do have the usual documentation which comes with these AirPods and the AirPod itself, and we do have the extra ear tips. So these are all the stuff that comes with it. So yeah, so I'll get back to this stuff, and we do have lightning port at the bottom. We get back to this, and yeah, this is the unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro with wireless charging case.